Hi, I'm Tony here at the Tech Garage. Today we're going to go over how to bleed the Tech TJ20B bottle jack, as well as the Tech 325 LP low profile floor jack, and go over some simple maintenance stuff for those jacks.
The first key to safely jacking and lifting a vehicle is to ensure the jacks are in proper working order. On the TJ20B bottle jack, the first thing we want to inspect is the pump assembly. Make sure there are no cracks and no leaking of fluid. Then we will check the entire housing of the jack, looking for any cracks or damage to the housing. Once at the back of the housing, check the fill plug for any leaks. Finally, we want to ensure the ram works correctly, so we will raise the ram to check for proper lifting. On the TJ325 LP, we want to inspect for any cracks or damage on the chassis, lift arms, or saddle. The pistons are located here. Check for leaks near the pistons and ensure the handle is working properly. Check to see if the lift arm is raising and lowering. Another important thing with all jacks is to make sure they are properly labeled with their weight capacity. The TJ20B is rated for 20 tons, and the TJ325 LP is rated for 3¼ tons. If you have to fill the hydraulic fluid reservoir, only use hydraulic fluid. Motor oil, alcohol, transmission fluid, or brake fluid have various chemicals which can deteriorate seals and O-rings. To bleed the TJ20B, we're going to open the release valve, pump 10 to 20 times, and close the release valve. Now we can test to see if the jack works properly. Make sure the valve is closed. Look for a steady rise of the ram for proper operation. If when you test this, the ram jumps around or is not rising at a steady rate, you may be low on hydraulic fluid. Remove the fill plug located here with a screwdriver and fill to just below the plug. If the hydraulic fluid is fine, you may still have air in the jack and need to repeat the process. On the TJ325 LP jack, we are going to turn the handle counterclockwise 1 to 2 full turns. Then pump the handle 3 to 5 times. Turn the handle clockwise until it won't turn any further and raise to test for smooth rise of the arm and saddle. If this doesn't work, try the same steps again. For the preventative maintenance, we need to first store these the correct way. Bottle jack should always be stored upright with the ram fully retracted and the valve tightened. This will prevent air in the system and issues using it. Floor jack should be stored in an upright manner with the wheels on the floor, the valve tightened, and the lifting mechanism fully lowered. The storage area for both jacks should be dry and stored with the pistons retracted. Monthly, we should lubricate a variety of points on the low profile jack, including the caster wheels, front axles, elevator arm, handle pivot bolts, release mechanism, and all bearings. Here you will use multi-purpose NLGI grease. Everywhere else use a spray lithium grease.
If you have any questions, contact your Tech distributor or visit our website at techtirerepairs.com.